If death strikes before I prove my blood, I swear I will kill my death.
There is no bigger sacrifice than to lay down one's life in the defense of the nation. It is therefore the bounden duty of all the countrymen to honor their valor, sacrifice and martyrdom. We salute all those brave sons of India who gave their today for our better tomorrow. Those brave hearts wrote another unique date of 26th July with their blood. All the lofty peaks of Kargil witnessed their sacrifice. They colored those white peaks of Kargil red with their blood to keep the dignity of our tricolor intact. We salute their sacrifice.
Hello guys, I'm Samida and welcome back to my channel. This vlog is all about the story of Kargil War and Kargil Vijay Divas. Today I will take you to the Kargil War Memorial in Ladakh built up by Indian Army to commemorate Kargil heroes. Before starting this video, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications when I post my new videos. Please share this video as much as you can. Every like and share will be the tribute to our brave hearts of Kargil War. The Kargil War was fought for more than 60 days and ended on 26 July 1999, when Pakistani army took the advantage of melting snow and took command on the high outposts of India. Their main objective is to cut the connections between Kashmir and Ladakh and to create tensions at the Indian borders. At the same time, Pakistan believed that creating any tension at this area would help them making the Kashmir issue an international issue, helping it to secure a speedy resolution. They captured Tiger Hill, which was one of the epicenters of the Kargil War, and then became the strategic point of defense since it was located at a height of more than 16,000 feet, giving a clear view of the headquarters of 56 Brigades, the main Indian unit in the area. The Kargil War took place in 1999 between 8 May, when Pakistan forces and Kashmiri militants were detected at the top of the Kargil ridges by the Indian Army patrols. So, Operation Vijay was launched by the Indian Army to throw back the intruders. Indian Air Force launched Operation Safed Sagar to support ground troops. Indian Navy also started Operation Talwar to support Indian Army and IAF with different strategies. The Kargil War was resulted in loss of life on both the sides, when India regained the control over high outposts including Tongoling and Tiger Hills, and Pakistani armies were ejected out of the territory beyond the line of control. On 26 July 1999, India was declared victory in Kargil War, which is known as Kargil Vijay Divas. A number of Indian soldiers earned awards for gallantry. India's highest gallantry award, the Paramveer Chakra, awarded to the captain Vikram Batra, Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey posthumously, Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav, were awarded the Paramveer Chakra after India's decisive victory in the war. Also, 11 Mahavir Chakra were awarded for their bravery. It would not be wrong to say that the war is never good. This causes a major loss on both the sides. Thousands of soldiers get martyred. India is a peace-loving country that does not believe in war. But if someone intrudes our country, we will not tolerate this. ये नया हिंदुस्तान है जनाब, ये ना किसी को आग उठाने देगा और ना किसी को घर में घुसने देगा.
As an act of apt recognition to the supreme sacrifice made by our brave soldiers during Operation Vijay, the Kargil War Memorial was constructed at Ground Zero location at Dras in year 2004, built by Indian Army. The memorial is located 6 kilometers ahead of Dras town on the Srinagar-Leh National Highway. Visitors are welcome any time during daylight hours. It comprises of Amar Jawan Jyoti, Manoj Pandey Gallery and the Veer Bhumi, some weapons used in war and the equipment captured from Pakistani troops also kept in memorial. This is must-visit destination in Ladakh to pay homage to brave hearts of Kargil War. At Veer Bhumi, one can read the epitaphs of all the soldiers who have attained martyrdom in the entire sector besides Operation Vijay have been placed. The Kargil War led to 527 deaths on India's sides. Veer Bhumi is story of these 527 martyrs. The Manoj Pandey Gallery has a board dedicated to each unit which participated in Operation Vijay. Sand models depicting 4 major battles fought in the area: Terrain Corner, Heroes Gallery and Pakistan Corner.
Brave hearts of Kargil War. Today I am making one painting on the occasion of Kargil Vijay Diwas.